what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Benika here. So today I am in Udaipur, staying at the Uday Koti, which is really close to the Lake Pichola, and it's like roughly 45 minutes away from the airport and like around 20 minutes from the railway station. So this hotel is really beautiful. It has so many traditional accents to it. The staff is really warm and amazing. The owner takes care of the place and she has like decorated the place really beautifully. I love the entire property. It is huge. It has like 5 different buildings where they have provided stays in it, and there are like 5 different types of stay that you can choose from. They have a spa which functions during the season, and they also provide like boat rides etc. for y'all. You have to just book in advance and check with them. Also like get your room decorated if there's like something special going on. They have like 3 different restaurants, 2 big pools. Let's go check it out.
छोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगने छोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगने.
So this is their pool area, which is outside. It's beautiful. I love how like this Jarokha thing is happening here. So this is property number 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th tower. And there's like one more next to this. Let's go. So guys, we are here at the Bowery, which is a pool area, and it makes up for such a beautiful swim and photo shoot place. Unfortunately, I did not get to dive in. I regret it immensely, but let's move on and check out the entire place. And I'm going to click a few pictures and show you guys what I clicked, and you guys can recreate the same pictures. Can you all believe it? There's a restaurant on top over there that is so cool. Let's go up. We're heading at is called the Baro Masi. It is a tapas bar and it is so famous. We are going to go there now. That's another restaurant that they have. Let's go. God, I'm tired. Walked so much. Alright, so here's the view that you'll be getting from the hotel Uday Koti. So that is Taj Lake Palace. That is the Jug Mandir. This is the City Palace. And so we are going to exit from another. Everything is like pretty much interconnected. And of course they have lifts. So that's great. See? Oh my god. That's the entrance of the building. This is right now I'm in another hotel section now. the hotel is something. We are here back at the entrance. See, I told you this property is really good. Like, it's everything is interconnected, and I was at the rooftop and in some other section of the building, and I landed up here, and this is the main entrance. Let's go. So guys, let's move on to the rooms of the hotel. Let's start with the Uday suite, which is on the rooftop. It's my favorite. It has a big living area. It has 2 private pools inside the room, which is completely super in my opinion. The stairs lead to a private dining area and a terrace which has a super great view. Let's go check it out.
बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे, बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे। ओ सावड़ी सूरत जीड़ो जानीड़ो मारो, सावड़ी सूरत जीड़ो जानीड़ो मारो।
Tiny from the outside, but it's really beautiful inside.
बिछोड़ो सोवे मारे आंगणे।
So like I said, this hotel has a lot of buildings, and this is the interior part of it. This is the Kumbha Mahal and a lot of other towers right in the interior part. So this is the inside part of the hotel, and let's see one of the rooms right here. There's way less light in this with a garden view. This is the bathroom. Guys, what's up? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe. Many more videos like this to come. Leave your reviews in the comments down below and let's talk.
सच पूछे तो मारी दिलड़ी धड़के, ओ सावड़ी सूरत जेड़ो जानीड़ा मारो।